know, it's hard because it's so tiny. Okay.
Mine are white hair?
No, it's fine. Okay, so there's the little hook, and you hook it on one end of the bracket.
Why don't you record it?
Huh?
And I'm gonna go see if Monica has the key to the compressor. So
The person who has the key to the compressor is the dean.
does Monica have?
I don't think she has it either. No. I have no idea. She was sick yesterday. Okay, so you get it in place, and then you can twist it. Alright, so it stays, and then just like the other wire.
Oh.
Ah! See, that's my problem. I always pull it off.
Here we go.
I like the old ones. I thought these would be easier. I'm going to order the old wire back. Because I thought that was such a pain in the butt. And this one actually is, I think, more of a pain in the butt than the other one. Okay, so you're hooking it on. Okay, this one's better. And then you're supposed to twist it a little bit to get it to stay in place. Okay. And then, come on, I always want to grab the arch wire. Lock it in place, and you're going to twist it.
Whatever.
Did it stay on?
Yes.
Come on.
No.
Did it slip off?
Oh, one. Hold on. Maybe it is.
I think it's on. Yeah, it's on. Okay. So then you're going to twist it. Lock.
When is you know when they're supposed to find out for?
Okay, so really nice and tight so that ligature doesn't go anywhere. Okay. And then I'm going to.
Where can I get one of those instruments? Where can I find that one?
I thought she had them out. So you don't want it too long because then it's hard to wrap, but you don't want it too short. So I usually cut it about the occlusal, or the incisal edge right there. And then you're going to tuck the wire. And this is the tricky part. Getting it where you want it, in that guide channel right there.
Oh.
So you're trying to
Under
bend
both
it
of the
in.
little hooks?
Yeah, so there's a channel behind the hooks where the elastic normally is, right? So you can see where the elastic is right here on this side. So you're trying to tuck this in. And then you don't want any sharp pokies. Okay.
So
How many teeth do we have to do?
I'll just have you do like 5 on there.
Okay.